ghetto. The ghetto. Kenya, if you got a dog in there, you better put it up.
You have seen Velvet 100 times.
She sounds like she's a Doberman.
Oh, look at you.
Hi. Oh, you dressed all show. Where you live, bitch?
You look good.
What is this, honey?
I had to move out of Kanye's house of horrors, so I thought this was the best option for me on a short notice. This is not where I live.
This is where you live, honey. Let me see what's going on. Oh, Velvet, show me around. Oh, let me see. I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost. And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Oh, Lord. Kenya, what is going on up in here?
This is where I've been since that crazy lady started.
Let me see, child. Kenya is in a 2.3-star hotel. She definitely didn't want to pay over $129 a night. Velvet, you're not gonna sit with me, honey.
Stop me. You have the same vibe. Why are you acting like that?
Okay, Kenya, I've called my realtor, and we're gonna go look at some places. And I also have a helicopter on the roof to take us up out this camp, okay? Who knew we were gonna be twirling back to the hood, honey?